In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful strategy that you can use to start earning passive income on warriorplus.com as a complete beginner. I'm going to walk you through the whole process in this video, and I promise if you stick with me to the end of the video, you will definitely be on your way to start earning money with affiliate marketing. And keep in mind, the strategy I'm going to show you in this video, you can apply to other affiliate networks like clickbank.com, JVZoo, and the likes. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to warriorplus.com if you don't have an account already. And all you need to do is to click on the sign up for free button. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page where you literally just need to enter your username, your password, email address, and you want to check this I'm not a robot and create your free account. So once your account is created, your dashboard is going to look like this, and you want to make sure to head over to the affiliate section. So basically all you just need to do is to click on this drop down button right here, and it's going to bring you to this page. So once you are in this page, you want to basically click on offers. So once you click on offers, it's going to bring you to this page where you can have access to varieties of products available on warriorplus.com that you can start promoting and start earning money. And also, if you are looking for a specific product from a particular niche, all you just need to do is to click on this drop down button here, and you will be able to see all the products available under these categories right here. Now, before you select any product, you want to head over to this website called vocal.media. So basically, this is a website where people come over to share their stories and earn money. As you can see right here, Vocal is an all-in-one platform where you can share your stories, build an audience, and earn money. Okay, so basically this platform right here, people make a lot of money, and I'm going to show you how you can do this and you can earn money for yourself as well. All right, so you want to come over to this search section, and once you click on the search section, you want to make sure to click on this explore all. So once you click on that, it's going to show you all the communities available in vocal.media. So basically you want to make sure to select any of these categories, and as you can see right here, the first one which says technology news, reviews, and how-tos. Okay, so I'm going to click on this as an example. All right, so basically if I come over to this niche, as you can see, these are the latest stories posted on this category. Okay, as you can see, this person just made this post just 6 minutes ago, and it's already ranking under this community. So basically you can see these people are basically talking about content related to technology. So now, since we are taking the technology niche as an example, all you just need to do is to go back to your Warrior Plus account, and you want to click on this by category. So once you do that, since we are working with the technology niche, you want to come over to this software section and you want to click on view all. So once you do that, it's going to show you all the products that are currently available under this category. So basically you can select any of these products and start promoting right away. So basically I'm going to take this one as an example right here, which is Chat GPT-4. As you can see, this is an AI related product. So once I click on that, as you can see, this product has generated over 1,000 sales already, and you can see the conversion rate is 14%, which means a lot of people converted on this product. As long as you promote this product to the right audience, you are definitely going to make money. And also you can see on average, you are going to get paid $30 for anyone who sign up for this product. So once you come over to this page, you want to make sure to check out the sales page by clicking on this view sales page button. So once you do that, as you can see, this is a technology related product which is going to perform well for this community. Okay, so basically once you come over to the landing page of the product, you want to make sure everything looks good before you start promoting. Okay, so for this one right here, everything looks perfectly good, and it's a very professional landing page. So basically that is why it has generated a lot of sales already. Okay, so now the next step is to basically click on this request approval. So basically you can type in something simple like this: your product is a good fit for my audience, and I'll be glad if I can get an affiliate link to start generating even more sales for your product. So basically you want to write something similar like this. You want to keep it short and straight to the point. And once you do that, all you just need to do is to click on request offer. So once you do that, your link will be sent to you and you will have access to start promoting this product. So while you wait to get approved for this offer, you want to basically go back to vocal.media and create an account if you don't have one already. So all you just need to do is to click on the join now, and you want to basically type in your details right here, or you can create an account with Facebook, Twitter, Google, or Apple. So once you create an account, you want to basically click on this section that says create a story. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you have to enter title for your story. So now you may be asking, where do you get content to create on vocal.media? So you want to head over to Quora.com and you want to basically just type in AI. Okay, since the product we are promoting is AI related product, and you want to click on search. So once you do this on Quora, you are going to see a lot of questions that's already been asked that are related to AI. So all you just need to do is to basically click on this question. So once you do that, you want to basically copy this question and you want to come over here and you want to basically paste in that question right here. So once you copy that question, you want to basically go through all the answers and you want to look for answer that has the highest amount of votes. So basically, as you can see right here, this is the first answer under this question, and you can see it has over 150,000 views already and over 3,000 upvotes. And all you just need to do is to basically copy this answer, and then you want to come over to this platform called quillbot.com, and then you want to basically paste in the answer right here and you want to paraphrase this answer. So basically, this is just to avoid copyright issues. Okay, then you want to scroll down to this section that says start writing. So basically, this is where you want to paste the paraphrase content you got from Quora.com. So now once you've done that, you want to basically type in something simple like this. Click here if you want to learn more about this powerful AI assistant app. Okay, so basically this is because that is what this product is all about right here. As you can see, welcome to the AI revolution, your ultimate AI assistant app. All right, so once you do this, all you just need to do is to highlight on this and you want to click on this link button. So once you click on that, this is where you want to paste in your affiliate link once you get approved to promote this offer. So now the final thing you can do is to basically go over to the landing page of this product and you want to check if the landing page has a product. Okay. And if it doesn't have a product on the landing page, you can basically go back to the affiliate page as well. And you want to click on this section that says JV page. So basically, this is also known as affiliate page, where you can find content that are being provided by the vendor of this product that you can use for free to promote their product. Okay. So basically, if you come to the landing page and it has a link to a video, all you just need to do is to copy the link to the video and basically come back to vocal.media, and at the top of this story, you want to basically click on this section that says embed video. Okay, so basically as you can see right here, it works with YouTube, Vimeo, and more. So all you just need to do is to paste in the link to the video right here, and basically it's going to make this story stand out even more. All right, so once you're done, once you've added your link and everything looks good, all you just need to do from here is to click on save. Copy this link right here, and I'm going to show you how to drive even more traffic to this story aside from the traffic you are going to get from vocal.media. So now you want to come over to reddit.com, and I'm fully aware that it can be very difficult promoting affiliate links on Reddit, and I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use for Reddit. Okay, so all you just need to do is to basically come over to the search bar and you want to type in keywords that are related to that product. For example, technology is related, so all you just need to do is to click on search. So once you do that, you want to come over to this section that says communities. You are going to see a lot of subreddits about technology. So basically you can scroll down and you can join as many related subreddits as possible. So once you join the subreddit, you want to click on this plus button and you want to basically type in the question right here. And now you want to basically copy the link to this story. All you just need to do is to paste in the link right here and you want to click on post. So basically this is how easy it is. As you can see, this is not an affiliate link at all. And this is a reputable website where people come to share genuine stories. And once people come over to this page, they see the content of this story. They are going to see this section where they can click on this link. Once they click on the link, they will be brought to this page right here. And if they make a purchase, you make $30. So it's that simple. And you can do this for any product whatsoever on warriorplus.com. There you can see there are a lot of questions available on Quora, which most of them has been answered already. All you just need to do is to use Quillbot to rewrite the answer, and you want to make a story on vocal.media and you want to share the story on Reddit. So basically this is the method in a nutshell that you can get started with as a complete beginner. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and make sure to click on one of the two videos showing on your screen right now for more ways to start earning money online. So if you find any value in the video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.